was on YouTube. Watch the TY38. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We done made it to this first stop out here in Nashville. We over here in Berry Hills right now. We're about to do this BMW X3, man. We'll go ahead and work on this exterior of the car first, then we're gonna hop in this interior. It's not really that bad, it's typical debris. I know it's the car you saw not too long ago, but I'm gotta kind of hurry up because she gotta be somewhere about 9 something. I would have been here a little bit earlier, but there was so much traffic everywhere. So right now it's approximately 8:30. I literally got 1 hour to finish the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump on it, man. It's a beautiful day. You see the sun shining.
People turning to sunshine.
So we're gonna take advantage of the weather, and I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Interior of the car, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. It ain't that bad, but it's bad. But it got your typical debris. You know what I mean? Your sticks, twigs, a little bit of dog hair. You know what I mean? A little bit of snacks. I mean, so we're gonna get in here, vacuum, we wipe down the seats. Make sure y'all move the leg rest. Wipe down all these panels, because like you see, they got this black hard plastic. But like I said, it's nothing we can't handle over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. And once we're done doing the exterior, we do the windows, adjust the tires, clean the mat, put them back in the car, and like that, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, and I need to tie my shoe. But anyway, man, we just finished this BMW X5, X3. Car came out well. If you remember what it looked like, we had a little dirt here, there. Wheels wasn't as shiny, but now the car look amazing. We got the interior done, windows, seats, whole 9 yards. So we're about to get right here to the next stop. We still got two cars at the next location for me, and then we got 2 more stops after that. But about to go ahead and get it cracking, man. You already know how we do it over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. We take so much pride in the work we do, man. So I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing. And on that note, man, make sure you find your passion, man. I'm gonna keep saying that, man, 'cause passion is everything, you know. Even if you want to be a passionate father, passionate husband, passionate boyfriend, something, passionate painter, let's figure it out. But like I said, we just finished this BMW X3. Gonna go ahead and let her know I'm done so I can get paid and get out of here. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done made it to this second point, man. We already knocked it out, man. My bad, I ain't show y'all what it looked like, what it smelled like, none of that. But the car came out clean. We got the car looking good. We vacuumed it. Door jams is real dirty, so we cleaned the door jam. Vacuumed the seats real well. Vacuumed everything. We made sure we wiped down everything, wiped down in the back, vacuum, you know, do our thing. You know, we take pride in what we do over here at Your Way Mobile Car Care Service. So I hope you take pride in whatever you're doing out there, man. Like I say, no matter what you're doing, just take pride in it. It's gonna take you further than what you expect. But I'm about to go ahead and park the car, start on the next car, because I got things to do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We doing this second car here at TriStar Energy. We doing this Chevy Equinox, man. We already did the interior of the car, so it already came out well. We're about to go ahead and work on the exterior of the car, but like always, man, we dedicated. Excuse me for yawning, I'm a little tired, but I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, man. Peace. Detail world, what it do. We didn't finish this last car today, cause I got things to do. I'm not finna, you know, I can always get to it, man. So I rescheduled the last appointment for later on today, but I'm gonna go ahead and handle the things I need to handle so I can feel adequate. That's what I'm saying. I wanna feel adequate today. So word of the day is adequate, not inadequate, but being adequate. But we just finished the Chevy Equinox. About to head to the house, man. We did 3 cars today. Beautiful day. But on that note, man, I didn't even show y'all the interior, but I will though, because I can't help myself. I can't help myself. But this the interior came out well. It was full of dog hair, or human hair. I don't know what that was, human hair or dog hair. But we finished here, man. I'm gonna go ahead and park the car. Already got the van loaded up. I'm about to get out of here, man. So I'll catch y'all a little later, man. One love, like always. One love. Look in the mirror, say I love you. And on that note, man, peace.